Hello and welcome back to my channel MS Photoshop Manipulation. Today I will teach you how to write text and how to make it a designable text. So let's begin, my friends. So first of all I have to choose paper size. So I have chosen 1920 into 1080 and now you have to write a text. For example, I will write a text Photoshop. So here it is, the text Photoshop, and now I will increase the size. So simply you have to scroll the mouse wheel and I have to change the color. So I will apply sky blue color. Yes, it looks nice. And now you have to click on the Photoshop layer. So now the main thing, and that is how to make this text in a designable way. For this you have to click on pattern overlay. So I have chosen water. The design of the text has changed. You can choose other options also like grass, water, trees and many more. So that is for today, guys. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye, my friends, and stay tuned to my channel to get more videos.